Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are going to unbox a totally different brand. It's from the poster cars. This is not Mini GT, this is not Tarmac, yet I saw it and I found it very well detailed. So I thought let's buy two and do the unboxing. So first I'm going to do the unboxing for this Hypercar League Collection Pagani Zonda F. This was the one I have missed in the Mini GT. So I thought, let's try this one in this brand and look at the car. Probably there is acrylic case in this, and here's your car art on this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this open from here and pull the car out and I'll show you. So just hang on tight. So I'm able to cut this successfully, and I think this is something really cool. Let me put the box on the side. There is this acrylic case and it looks really premium actually, even though the prices of this car is a bit low than the Mini GT, and I think the base on this one is plastic and the body is metal. So let's open this as well. Give me a moment, let me see where's the screwdriver. Yeah, I have it here. This is a very small screw. I don't have a screwdriver for this size. I think I need to find a screwdriver for this size. Just give me a moment guys. I'll just move it from the base and I'll show you guys up. Finally, that was quite a job to move it from the base. And here's your car, the beautiful Zonda. I really like they have put the detailing of brake caliper in it. As I told you earlier, I was expecting a plastic base, and it is a plastic base, but I really like this. Is lighter, it's quite light as compared to Mini GT, but very well detailed. So I'll put it on the turntable here, and so that you can guys have a closer look on it. Oh my god, look how clean this car is, how clean this color is, this Rosso Dubai color on this. Wow, and literally the wheels look crazy on this car. I really like they have put all the details on the back, on the front as well. The carbon fiber look on the car looks so good. And I have already shown you guys the brake calipers they have created. The only thing this car is missing is the metal base, and rest of it is so good. Wow. Even the color, you can see it's clean. There is no roughness on the body of the car or anything like that. It's a clean color. Wow. Now let's move to the next one. So that was your Zonda F from the poster car guys, and let's move this from here and let me show you this beautiful piece of art, the Bugatti. And again, I'm going to cut it open from the back and I'll show you guys. Just give me a moment. So I have opened it from the back. here's your acrylic case. I'll put the blister on the side, and look at this beautiful car. Look how cool is this. And again, it's gonna take a while, so I'll just move it from the base and I'll show you guys. So here's your Bugatti. You can see the calipers, the wheel rolls good, and here's the interior. It looks really cool. Two-toned interior looks really cool. The steering wheel and everything. We even have a Bugatti logo on the wheels. The headlights are not as detailed as Mini GT. You can still see the 4 squares here clearly, and in this one also. See, the weight is very light. I wish instead of putting the acrylic case, they should have changed the base to the metal. We have threaded wheels here. Let's see if this rolls good in on the plane. Yeah, it rolls good. Let's put this on the turntable, have a closer look. But before that, let's see how does this one rolls. Yeah, this rolls fine as well. Let's have a closer look on the Bugatti. Park this here. So I have like 1 or 2 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport from the Mini GT, and this is the only I have from Poster Car or any other brand. But trust me guys, if you did not have this, just buy it. I'm telling you to buy it, because this is so well created. The scheme of the color, two-tone color like red and black, and then the wheels, these wheels look so good on it. The black wheels, you have all the details, engine detail, you have the rear light, you have the front lights, and even the interior is two-toned, and they created it so beautifully, so perfectly, and so clean. You can see the light reflecting on the top of it, and it looks so well. Well, probably I'm going to buy some more in future. I don't know if something good is coming out, but this is just something really well to add in your collection. So guys, that was your Bugatti from the Poster Cars, and trust me, they both look fabulous. I'm going to add them in my collection in the back. Do let me know what you guys think about these cars. Which one is your favorite? Have you bought any Poster Cars or not? Till then, see you in the next one. Bye bye.